Hi besties, it's your girl Mila. Welcome to yet another interesting tutorial. Today we are going to be cutting and attaching the layered flounce you can see on the outfits. Please don't mind the dancing, the sere. I'm just happy, I'm just excited. So join me, let me show you. Okay, so this is it. The first thing we are going to do is to fold into two. Note, you can actually cut this in different method. You can cut it using different methods, but this is what the method I want to use. Okay, the measurement I have at that end, I will equally measure it this way, place same measurement this way. I want to cut it each in form of a 360-degree flay. In form of a 360-degree flay, then I will attach all of it together. Just watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you through all of the processes, show you how you're going to weave it with your what is it called, fishing line. We are going to weave it with our fishing line to give that golden effect at the edge. So watch me. It's going to be a very quick tutorial. So I'm ironing it out. After ironing, at this point, I'm going to cut out the radius I want to have. The radius I'm working with, I'm remeasuring to make sure what I have is complete. What I have there is 12 inches. Okay, it can be any length. Okay, I want to work the flounce length I'm working with is 7 inches. This 7 inches, when the weaving is done, like 1 inch or 1.5 inch will be gone off from it. Now to get the radius like this, you can use any radius. Remember, it's going to be long because it will be layered. It will come in layers. You're going to see all of the processes. So I've gotten the radius I want now. Let me connect all the points. Hope you can see that. Hope you can see that what I have in all is 12 inches. Okay, so I'm taking 12 inches all round. Don't be in a haste. Don't be in a haste. This is an interesting tutorial. Don't skip any part of the video. Just watch what I'm doing. Okay, so when I'm done measuring 12 inches right round, I'll connect all the points as shown. Okay, hope you can see everything. So let's cut it out. Okay, so after cutting, this is what we'll have. Can you see that? Can you see what we'll have? A full circle. That's what I cut. I'm going to open up this one of the ends at the end, but I won't do that now because I'll be needing this very one. I'm going to use this to cut out the other ones. I'm going to cut out as many as possible till I finish the whole of the organza I have here. Till the whole of the organza is finished, I'm going to use that one to keep cutting till I cut out everything. Okay, so I'll keep arranging it just the way I did initially. Fold into two, like so. Fold into two, you fold again, making it sure you folded into four. Then I'll place this on top. Okay, let me just use it to check if my folding is accurate. I will arrange everything properly, make sure it's accurate, is aligning. Can you see what I'm doing? Can you see what I'm doing? Just watch closely. It's very simple. Like I told you, there are other methods you can use to cut this out. Now that I'm sure the folding is correct, I will iron it out. There are other methods you can use. You can cut it as a flounce instead of cutting it as a full circle. Okay, there are other methods you can use, but this is the method I choose to apply because there is a end result I'm looking at, and what can give me the end result I want is this method. Hope you understand. This cutting method will have other cutting methods you can apply, but I choose this. So I'm going to arrange that first one I cut out. Make sure every point is aligning. When it's aligning, get your scissors and you cut out exactly same way. Okay, so now we have two full circles. Okay, at this point I can open up one. Okay, so to shorten the video, I had to cut the rest off camera. Can you see what I have? So I cut so many as possible, like I told you. Now I'm going to be opening the edge, one part of it. Okay, can you see? It will now be just long one. I'll open up, I'll bring all of them. I will open up one side. I'll open up one side. It could be any side. Just make sure your hand is straight. I'll keep cutting all of it. So I'm done opening it. I'm going to bring it this way. When you bring one, you bring another one, place it like this and join using half of an inch. I'm going to take you to my sewing machine to show you that. So when you join that, you bring another one, join. I'll keep joining till I have one straight long flounce. Okay, so we are here on the sewing machine. So watch what I will do. I'll place one like this, bring the second one, place it on top. You can sew it from any side. Watch what I will do. I'm going to sew using half of an inch. So watch me. I'll pick one end out of the two I just sewed now. I pick one end. Can you see? Make sure now you have a wrong side. Where the sewing is facing is the wrong side. I picked another one, place on top of it, and I will join like I did earlier. This is how I'm going to continue joining all of it till I'm done. Hope we understand. If you're confused, do well to ask a question on the comment section. Make sure you're following us on all social media handle. On YouTube here, you can see the channel Livmila Design Hub. On Facebook, Livmila Design Hub. On Instagram, Livmila_design_hub. So I'm done joining it and we have one thread flounce now. Can you see? Can you see where I joined it? Everything is now together as one. Okay. Next, I'm going to be taking you to the weaving machine and show you how you can weave in your fishing line to give it a bouncy effect. See where I joined it with half an inch? I'm equally going to weave there. Can you see the half an inch? I'm equally going to weave there. Okay, so let's go. So I took it for weaving. Are you seeing the fishing line he's holding? I'm using an embroidery thread. Can you see the color of the thread? I'm using an embroidery thread which that is gold in color. Okay. And you know, weaving with a fishing line, you have to be gentle. Can you see where the arrow is pointing at the fishing line? So watch, at times the fishing line will get entangled. Can you see? You will loosen it up and continue. So this is how we'll keep doing it till we finish up everything. Okay, and we are done. So this is the result we're having here. This is my remaining fishing line. I am keeping that for another time. This is what we'll have after the weaving process. So next I'm bringing the outfit. This is the outfit where we'll be attaching the flounce to. We are going to go from the front through to the back. Okay, it's not gonna be easy, man, but we are going to do it. So we are going to pick one end and we'll sew it from the front like this through to the back. So I'm trying to check if I should start from the back or go from the front. You are going to carefully make sure you arrange it well. So I'll be turning it like this. I'll keep sewing till I sew in everything. Now I'm going to take us to my sewing machine. You understand what I said? See the part I'll be sewing on. Can you see? The other part, not the part that has the golden thread. I will turn it over. Okay, when I get to where it's ending, I'll flip it back again. I'll sew and come to the front, turn over again, back to the sew to the back. I'll keep doing that till I'm done with attaching all of the flounce. Don't worry, let's go to the sewing machine and see what we can do there. Okay, so let's go do it, guys. So this is me here on my sewing machine. Okay. So watch what I'm going to do. Sorry, I've attached few of them. I don't know. So I'll be showing. So I'm starting from the front. First area. So watch what I'm going to do. Okay. I'll place it like so. So you just have to be careful with it. Make sure you arrange everything properly. Okay. And first, you will sew from the front all the way to the back. It depends on you. You can decide to stop. Let the flounce start from maybe your under bust, go through and stop at the shoulder. For this one, I took it from the close to the under bust through the shoulder to the back. Just watch the sewing process. I'm sewing on the skin nets. Just watch what I'm doing. You have to be careful. Though my skin net, I doubled it. It's in two layers. But you still have to be careful because it's a fragile material so that you don't tear it. Okay, so I decided to pleat it a little at this point just to give fullness. As at the shoulder area. Watch it. I'm entering to the back area now. You sew all the way to the back. So this is what I'm going to keep doing. Just watch closely. When I get to where I want it to end at the back, can you see? When I get there, I'm going to turn and continue my sewing again back to the front. When I get to the front again, I will come, turn it, sew it again backward to the back, get the back done. I'll keep doing that till I'm done. And you see I still have it plenty remaining. I'm coming to the end of it at the back. Just watch closely this part, how I'm going to turn it to start sewing it again towards the front. Please watch. If you're confused, I'll be expecting your question in the comment section. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the notification button to know when next I'll be posting a video. It's too thick, that's why it's being difficult to come out. Okay, so watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn now and start sewing again. So I'm going to keep doing it like that till I'm done. Okay, and when I finish, I'm going to show us the ending results. Yes, and here it is. This is absolutely beautiful, and when I say it's beautiful, it's elegant. Can you see the flounce we are having there? Our ruffles flounce, our spiral flounce, sorry. It's so beautiful. It's something you would want to try out. Please do well to do so. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up, share to your friends, subscribe, turn on the notification button.